the chapter Health and Hygiene. To maintain a healthy body, a sufficient quantity of the right type of food is required. The diet should contain the right amount of the carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and the mineral. It is called a balanced diet. Absence of the deficiency of any of the nutrient leads to the malnutrition. Keeping your environment clean and maintaining personal and community hygiene not only helps in the prevention of the cause of disease, but it also checks diseases from spreading. Good health is essential for purposeful existence. Being healthy means being free of disease both physically and mentally. At times, health is adversely affected due to the physiological malfunctioning, psychological reasons, or disease causing organisms. The word disease signifies a departure from a normal state of the health. The term disease means dis-ease or without ease or discomfort. Thus, disease can be defined as the malfunctioning of the body organs due to one reason or the other. Hygiene refers to the practices conducing to maintaining the health and preventing diseases, especially through the cleanliness. According to WHO, hygiene refers to the conditions and the practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of diseases. Regular washing, adequate sleep, and the regular exercise also aid in personal health. The World Health Organization (WHO), part of the United Nations, defines health as not merely the absence of the disease, but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. This definition seems a bit idealistic, but certainly good health means being free from disease. Good health is a necessary condition for our purposeful existence in this world. A person can said to be healthy or having good health if he has no sickness or the disease, no physical handicap, no mental problems, no social tensions, no psychological tensions, no anxiety. Types of diseases. There are two types of diseases: communicable and non-communicable diseases. Communicable or infectious diseases or contagious diseases, they are caused by the attack of the microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, or the protozoans. The causal organisms of the disease can be transmitted from one person to another by means of air, water, food, physical contact, and insects, that are the vectors. Hence, these are called the communicable diseases that are transmitted from a diseased person to a healthy person. Communicable diseases caused by the different microorganisms like bacteria, the pathogen. It causes the disease cholera, diarrhea, tuberculosis, typhoid, diphtheria and tetanus, etc. Viruses, they can cause polio, rabies, smallpox, measles and mumps, etc. Protozoa, malaria, amoebiasis and kala-azar, sleeping sickness, etc. They are caused by the protozoa. Helminthes, Ascariasis, filariasis, etc. can be caused by the helminthes, like the tapeworm and the ascaris. Next is the fungi pathogen, which causes the ringworm or athlete's foot, etc. Whooping cough. It is mainly disease of the children. It is caused by the bacterium which affects the respiratory tract. It causes the attacks of the coughing which may end in the inspiratory whoop, by coughing reaches at the peak. Modes of transmission of the diseases. Communicable diseases spread easily by various means among the organisms. According to they are various types: airborne diseases like whooping cough, common cold, bronchitis, cirrhosis and allergy. Waterborne diseases, the discharge of the sewage and industrial waste into the water bodies, causes many waterborne diseases like typhoid, cholera, jaundice, diarrhea, polio, amoebiasis, etc. Vector-borne diseases, animals spread many serious diseases. The insect like the mosquito, flies, cockroaches, ticks and the mites, etc. spread disease-causing organisms which carry the disease-causing germs are called vectors. Dengue spreads by the bite of the Aedes mosquito. Yellow fever also spreads by the bite of Aedes mosquito. Malaria is caused by the protozoan class called Plasmodium, and it is spread by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene plays a major role. It is very important to maintain personal hygiene to be free from the diseases. Personal hygiene includes healthy lifestyle and good habits related to the cleanliness of the body. These habits include bathing, washing of the hands before and after the meals, brushing of teeth, care of hair, cutting of nails, care of eyes, wearing clean clothes, and the regular medical checkup. Plague is caused by the bacteria which lies a parasite in the fleas that occurs in the rat, mice and other rodents. Filariasis is caused by the filaria worm and is transmitted by the bite of the male Culex mosquito. Wearing clean clothes, it's also very important to keep away bacteria and the germs from the atmosphere. Maintaining cleanliness surrounding, that is also very important. It can be achieved by the following measures like the maintenance of the cleanliness of the public places like the school, offices, cinema halls and the labs, bathrooms and the markets. The eating places like the restaurant, hotels, tea shops and sweet shops should be properly covered and protected from the flies and the germs. Utensils, bathroom equipments should be cleaned properly and thoroughly with the soap and detergent and water. Control of the infectious diseases. It can be done by ensuring the supply of the clean potable water and keeping in the check of the microorganisms carrying germs. Industrial hygiene. It is also referred to as occupational health. It includes all those measures which can be taken to preserve the individual's health whilst she or he at the work. Washing of the hands, that is also very important. Regular exercise, taking proper sleep, that is also important. Cutting of the nails, caring of the eyes, care of the hair, brushing of the teeth. Prevention is better than cure. It is better to take the steps that prevent the occurrence of the disease in the body than to cure it after its appearance. There are many ways to prevent the occurrence of the diseases. These ways aim to maintain a proper hygiene. This is a science dealing with the maintenance of the health which can be achieved in the following ways: by personal hygiene, like bathing, washing hands before and after the meals, regular checkup, brushing of teeth, that is the oral hygiene, community or the public hygiene, cleanliness, social machinery, industrial hygiene, mental hygiene, and the healthy habits. Develop healthy habits, be punctual and disciplined to each and every aspect of life. Take food at regular intervals, avoid eating fast foods which are quickly becoming part of our busy lifestyle because they are readily available and economical. Fast foods contain a lot of the saturated fats which cause the obesity in the people and also lead to the high blood pressure and the heart diseases. Moreover, these fast foods are mostly prepared in the unhygienic conditions. Eating at the home ensures a healthy, disease-free body. Boil water before drinking. Wash hands before handling the food. Clean containers of the food. Use proper sanitation and